One method, increasing and decreasing pattern. 9 1 equals 9 2 equals 9 3 equals 9 4 equals 9 5 equals 9 6 equals 9 7 equals 9 8 equals 9 9 equals 9 10 equals. Increasing numbers.
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
Decreasing numbers.
9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 0.
For example, 9 8 equals 9 8 equals 72, or 9 5 equals 9 5 equals 45.
2 method, addition and subtraction method. 9 times 1 equals 9. This is simply the number 9 itself. 9 times 2 equals 18. Add 9 to the previous result. 9 plus 9 equals 18. Continue this way. 9 times 3 equals 27, 189. 9 4 equals 36, 27 plus 9, and so on. Alternatively, you can subtract 9 step by step from 90. For example, 90 minus 9 equals 81. 81 minus 9 equals 72, and so on.
Free method, digit sum rule. The sum of the digits of each result equals 9. 9 2 equals 18 gives 189. 9 5 equals 45 gives 4 5 equals 9. 9 9 equals 81 gives 8 1 equals 9.
Four-finger trick method. 9 1 equals. Let's begin counting. We have 10 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Bend your first finger. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. On the left side, 0 finger. On the right side, 9 fingers. 9 1 equals 0 and 9 equals 099. What is 9 2 equals? Bend second finger. On the left equals 1 finger. 1. On the right side, 8 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 9 2 equals 1 and 8 1 8. 9 3 equals. On the left side, 2 fingers. 1 2. On the right side, 7 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 9 asterisk 3 equals 2 and 7 equals 27. 9 4 equals. On the left side, 3 fingers. 1 2 3. On the right side, 6 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 9 4 equals 3 and 6 3 6. 9 5 equals. On the right side, 6 fingers. On the left side, 4 fingers. 1 2 3 4. On the right side, 5 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5. So 9 5 equals 4 and 5 for 5. 9 6 equals 6 finger. 5 4. Fill in this table with your fingers. 9 7 equals 9 8 equals 9 9 equals 9 10 equals